It's not just about SD-WAN. It's not just about the cloud. It's also not just about AI. It's like, whoa, what just happened? In a very short span of time. And the traditional networking teams and security teams are just not kind of ready to cope with that rate of change, right? And the networking and security teams are a little bit overwhelmed about what does it mean for our world now that this is happening. And they're scrambling to understand, okay, if I take my traditional architecture, which was not built for this, which was exactly like you say, Atif, was built for, I have my routers, I have my physical routers, some virtual routers. This is the environment I know how to operate, right? It's like, okay, you can no longer operate this, not because these solutions are necessarily like inherently bad, but they just don't provide the price points that you need to meet. And that forces the network and security teams to like, okay, I got to do something, I got to do something else. And I think Sayed, you've been working front lines with the customers.